What is research? A careful consideration of study regarding a particular concern or problem using scientific methods. According to the American sociologist Earl Robert Barbee, research is a systematic inquiry to describe, explain, predict, and control the observed phenomenon. Research involves inductive and deductive methods. Most research is designed to draw the conclusion about the cause and effect relationship among the variables. The goal of the research remains to develop a theory that explains the relationship found among variables. This class or this topic mainly concern about various problems that can threaten the reliability and validity of conclusion drawn by the researcher. There are two goals of research design, that is, obtain information relevant to the purpose of the study. Then second one, collect this information with maximal reliability and validity. Reliability and validity are central issues in all measurement. Both concern connecting measures to construct. Reliability and validity are salient because constructs are often ambiguous, diffused, and not directly observable. Perfect reliability and validity are virtually very difficult to achieve. The idea behind reliability is that any significant result must be repeatable. Other researchers must be able to perform exactly the same experiment under the same condition and generate the same results. Once again, the idea behind reliability is that any significant result must be repeatable. Other researchers must be able to perform exactly the same experiment under the same condition and generate the same results. For example, if you are performing a time-critical experiment, you will be using some type of stopwatch. Generally, it is reasonable to assume that the instruments are reliable and will keep true and accurate time. However, scientists take measurements many times to minimize the chance of malfunction and maintain validity and reliability. At the other extreme, any experiment that uses human judgment is always going to come under question. Human judgment can vary as individual observer may rate things differently depending upon time of day and current mood. This means that such experiments are more difficult to repeat and are inherently less reliable. Reliability is a necessary ingredient for determining overall validity of a scientific experiment and enhancing the strength of the results. Reliability is the consistency of your measurement or the degrees to which an instrument measures the same way each time it is used under the same condition with the same subject. In short, it is the repeatability of measurement. A measure is considered reliable if a person's score on the same test given twice is similar. It is important to remember that reliability is not measured, it is estimated. For instance, if a test is constructed to measure a particular trait, say neuroticism, then each time it is administered, it should yield the same result. A test is considered reliable if we get the same result repeatedly. The reliability of test is also defined from another angle. Whenever we measure something, measurement involves some kind of measure. Error of measurement is generally between true scores and the observed scores. However, in economical or psychological term, word error does not imply the mistake has been made. In other words, error in psychological or economical testing implies that there is always some inaccuracy in measurement. However, goal of economical or psychological measurement remains to find out the magnitude of such error and develop ways to minimize them.